Alright, got this ABS sensor in. Looks like that's the part number. I'll put a link down below. So we're going to go ahead and swap this thing out. Right there, get it done. Alright, got this plug. We'll go ahead and disconnect this. Been letting it kind of sit there. I got the boot out, and I think it's just a 10 millimeter. Yeah, baby. It might be an Allen nut. It's like an Allen nut up in there. I get it going all the way down in there. Alright, so got the old one out. The new one is temporarily connected here, just for now. I'm going to turn this scan tool back on to see what it does. So, see what we get out of it. I got this mbii. It should power on. Oh, I got unplugged, huh? So I got this mbii from icarsoft. This thing's a must-have. I mean, at least a good scan tool. We're gonna run some diagnosis. I'm gonna go to bins here, hit OK, and we'll just go to, I think it is bins, and I think it'll start reading everything. We gotta go to 170. That's the actual body, left hand, and it's a 320 automatic. Yeah, and it'll start reading transmission computer and everything like that. So it's going through everything, so it looks like it's communicating. And I got a menu I can go to and actually check the speed sensor, see if it's registering 0, not 32,000 RPM. So I think you go to electronic or engine control module. Okay, so what you do is go down and scroll down to the 8th menu, the instrument cluster, and there is, I think you read data stream on here, and you go to instrument cluster 3, and I actually have the, there you go, it's reading 0 right now, and I bet you I could probably turn that wheel if I could get it to turn at all. It may not turn right now, but I should be able to put the wheel back on and turn it. If I put it in neutral, then it should register that it's actually going. So it looks like it's reading the sensor. I'm gonna put it all the way in, put everything back together, then we'll go from there. Got the wheel back together. I'm gonna crank this thing up.
Here's that.
Kind of dark in here, but hey, one of the lights went out. I think, I don't know. I can't remember what the other light was now. But we're gonna see what this data stream is gonna connect and go from there. I got my daughter here. Sounds a little better so far. It's actually island down. So getting somewhere. Yeah, we're gonna escape this. Stop. See if we can get back. So the only thing after I cut the car back on is showing this P2401 and left wheel speed sensor. And it's interesting, I saw these two lights blink on and off. So we're gonna go ahead and erase these, see what happens. Let it reconnect. This is my daughter right here. Little girl. it goes through. It seems like it's communicating with all the computers, so that's good from what I see. So what we're gonna do is go to this TC and we'll read it. Okay, so it's got that code in there, and we'll go ahead and clear it. Go down, clear it, and hit OK. It says it's cleared now. So let's try to read it again. No DTC, so this actually clears it out. And I guess let's check this other stuff here. I mean, I got ESPS. I think he just needs to keep trying, but I'm gonna keep working with this. All right, so stop there, girl. I got this thing. Looks like the operating temperature. It's actually going through the gears. And you can see that 2, 3, 4, 5, and I kept clearing out computers, and the actual thing that was the BAS light went off. I don't know if that'll come back. You kind of see that, but and then that hard clunk looks like it may be gone too. So put it in drive it. I mean, it goes into gear a lot better. So we're going to take it for a road test and see. As long as it warms up, road test, we're good. So far looking good. Got that little, it looks like the washer fluid was off. Let's put a little water in it just to see that light go off. So this SRS light, I'm getting let's see, back to this MB2. It's showing like a code 22. Well, this will pop back up. On the SRS, saying that it's not matching the vehicle. But that, what is it, BAS light is definitely going away, so that's looking good. I think the ABS is maybe due to the unhooked brake pad sensor. So and then I just had the brake up, and then the light bulb may be out. So about got this thing lit. Light out for the light bulb. There's actually this brake light here. One of the prongs holding that socket in was just not bent enough, so I probably end up having to get a new one, but it's turned that light off. So I only got the SRS and the brake light, ABS, and that's it. But she's over here, she's shifting good. So she's warm, working like should, driving down the road. Only got 2 lights, the SRS light and the ABS light on.